Hey everybody, it's Cutball here, and I'm here with my little brother, Buster.
Oh!
And let's go up to our studio. Today on Cooking with Cutball, we'll be making bagels for breakfast. Because who doesn't like bagels? Yum yum! Okay, well, we're going to be making bagels, and here's the bowl, in the bowl, and some hand sanitizer for your paws. Or scales or fins or whatever you can set. And you rub it around like this. And you guys know how to put on hand sanitizer. So, Buster, you'll need some hand sanitizer too. Oh! Whoa, that went on the Buster. Gosh. You use too much hand sanitizer, Buster. Okay, well, wait one second. I'm going to need a towel here. Towel. Okay, thank you. And, we are. Okay, Buster, be more sexual. Be your big sister. Okay, so we're going to do, Buster. Are you still done or something?
Nope, I'm getting ready to eat what's going in the bowl.
Alright. Wait, no, don't eat what's going in the bowl yet, okay? We're making bagels. Bagels, I tell you. Okay. So, first we're gonna get some, seafood rub. That's a butter dish. That's a butter dish, Buster.
But it's a dish.
Whatever, okay. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put
I have a flea!
not a flea. That's a... Oh, okay. Get out of my kitchen! Whoa!
It is a flea.
And now for the seafood rub, I'm just going to pour a little bit in there.
Ooh.
And now we need some steak rub. Stop pointing it at the wall. I'm sorry, I can't listen. Whoa, that was. I would like to put a little bit in there, folks. Yeah, okay. Stop pointing at the wall. Gosh, it was a mistake. Okay, we're going to need some paprika. Who doesn't like paprika?
Well, everyone, it tastes disgusting.
Whatever, Buster. And we're going to put a little bit.
Bloody red.
Yes, Buster, bloody red. And now we're going to use with all natural seasoning.
Go! We're not so disgusting.
And now we're going to need some salt and pepper. Let's start with the salt. Everybody likes salt.
Somebody didn't like salt, I'll punch him in the face.
No, right?
Enough, I can see it in the camera.
Okay. Well, now for the pepper. There, I think that's enough. Is that enough?
Yes.
And, okay, stop. Okay, I need some sauce. You're shaking the camera. Okay, that's a weird, yeah. Okay, next we're going to need some garlic. Garlic smells horrible. Oh, why I smell it.
Anna.
Now we're getting some ground coming in. Oh gosh, it smells good.
Enough with the smelling, more with the cooking.
Ew, gross. And our last ingredient. Old Bay. Yes. I mean,
Now with the whisk.
no, we don't need the whisk yet, Buster. We need the marshmallows.
I'm using the whisk.
No, I am, Buster. I'm the professional here. What the heck happened to the marshmallow? I need a whisk. Go off, Josh. Gosh. Wow. We're gonna need some more of the other spices.
That marshmallow definitely has good fun.
We're gonna need some more of the paprika. Need some more color. Yes, and we'll also need to. Okay. Here we go. And now we'll just stir it all together. Gosh, it's filled. Okay. And now we're going to use a tray to pour the mix on.
And this isn't only a tray, it's a special tray. After you put it in the oven, it turns into a plate.
Yeah.
A pink plate. So just be notified.
I'm going to put this in the middle. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to put these. And then we'll just put the bowl on top. Hello, I'm still here. Hi everybody, I'm Raindrop, and I am here to make sure the oven doesn't explode or catch on fire.
What?
What? I was make different noises. That means it could explode. Wait, no, never mind. Okay. Well, bananas. Ow! That was my finger. Okay. And put all of the mix in. And we're going to close the oven. And now, for a word from me. Bologna. Yes. I was right, everybody. Back to the bagels. Okay. We're done with our bagels. Wait. Hello. Okay. We're almost done with our bagels. What we do is we come over here and ow. Bread. Yum. Those are how to make bagels on Cooking with Crystal. Come soon to us next time. Bye.